Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the world within, considering what self-discovery really is and how we can practice it. So, to begin, I invite you to take some time to arrive in this space. Bringing yourself up to a comfortable, seated position, take a few moments to adjust your posture so that it's both upright and relaxed. Take a deep breath in and out, softly landing in this space with greater presence. Allow the muscles around your eyes to soften. And then gently scan the body to see where any other tension might be present. If you come across any tightness or contraction, see if you can softly let go of this tension, either in part or completely. Whatever you are capable of releasing is warmly welcomed. Know that there is no certain self that you need to bring here. Self you will soon explore is already present. Wherever you go, it goes too. Use the flow of your breath as an anchor to continually draw you back into the present moment, noticing its rhythm and depth as it moves. As you inhale, allow the heart to open a little wider. And as you exhale, allow yourself to melt a little bit further into the earth beneath you. Take a few more silent moments to breathe in and out with mindful awareness, granting yourself permission to be here exactly as you are. Self-discovery is the process of looking inwards to gain insight about who we are. It is a way of witnessing ourselves with complete openness, honesty, and acceptance as we are called to compassionately and non-judgmentally hold and honor whatever we discover. When we look within with this openness and honesty, some of the insights we might uncover include particular emotions or feelings, both comfortable and uncomfortable. Certain yearnings or desires, internal fears and beliefs, patterns of repetitive and habitual thinking. Given the infinite possibilities of what we might uncover, this process requires a willingness to be honest, vulnerable, and compassionate towards ourselves. In cases where trauma may reemerge, ensuring we are ready for this deeper level of self-exploration is important. This honest inquiry can be frightening for many of us. In order to acknowledge what is within, we need to be open to embracing both our strengths and weaknesses, both our dreams and fears. Admitting our vulnerabilities and weaknesses, even if only to ourselves, is often met with inner resistance due to guilt, shame, and fear. Compassionate inquiry softens these self-judgments. As we delve into this discovery of the world within, I invite you to open yourself up to the truth that no human is without flaw. That any ideas about perfection you hold for yourself are simply illusions created by your particular conditioning. As you open to this understanding, find it in your heart to embrace your entire being unconditionally. And if there are questions you need to ask, open yourself up to the most intuitive answers with faith, courage, and acceptance. So, I invite you to take a moment to sit with whatever thoughts, yearnings, feelings, beliefs, or other sensations may be present within you. Whatever arises, can you practice welcoming these into your heart with courage, honesty, and unconditional acceptance? And can you find the courage to let the fears and self-limitations go, keeping only the loving, inspiring, and empowering discoveries close by? Self-discovery looks different from moment to moment and from day to day. So, for the next few moments, practice listening open-heartedly to whatever is within you, knowing that all things come and go like waves. And beneath the waves, there's a calm, quiet, and peaceful core of your being. Return to this stability if you encounter any challenging thoughts or feelings. Before we close this practice, take a moment to silently repeat the following words. I honor what lives within me. I embrace my truths with clarity and courage. I am at peace with my inner world. Now take a few more deep breaths at your own pace, settling into whatever you've uncovered here today. Notice the natural ebb and flow of these breaths. And now shift your attention to feel into the surface beneath you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.